welcome back to Soulful Kitchen, and today we are cooking this delicious goat meat stew. So first and foremost, clean your goat meat with water and some lemon. And then of course we're going to season it. So here we're using some salt, chili powder and some Maggi cubes. I'm also going to dice half an onion and mix this all together. We're going to cook the meat initially by boiling, so add this all to a pot along with some boiled water until the meat is just about covered. Cook this on a high temperature for about 20 minutes. Now to make the all-important pepper mix using some onions, peppers, scotch bonnet and tomatoes, all of the usual good stuff. Add this all to a blender along with some tinned plum tomatoes, and then we're going to blend it by pulsing only because we want to keep the rough consistency. Heat up some vegetable oil in a pot, and then you want to add your pepper mix along with a little bit of water that's going to soak up all of the juices left over in the blender. Season with some salt and Maggi cubes and let this cook away on a hot temperature for around 15 minutes. Returning to our goat meat, we're going to cook this a little bit further in the oven. You can also choose to deep fry it, which is a very popular method, or alternatively you can of course use an air fryer. We're going to cook this in the oven for around 15 minutes on 170 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to save the delicious stock for later down the process. Now time to combine everything and finish up this meal. So we're going to add back our oven cooked goat meat along with some of that stock that we saved from earlier on. Now this homemade stock always makes a huge difference to the taste of your meal, so don't forget it. So let this simmer away on a medium to hot temperature for a final 15 minutes and then you're done. Goat meat stew is definitely one of my favourite stews. I actually think goat meat is seriously underrated when it comes to red stew. So eat this with rice, eat it with a swallow like pounded yam, eat it with yam if you want. It goes perfectly with so many meals and it's just so delicious. For more recipes, check out soulfulkitchenco.com and see you in the next one.